Hi guys, are you having trouble in downloading Flash video from sites like YouTube, Google Videos, and etc.? Now I will introduce to you a tool to increase download speeds by up to 5 times, and it can resume and schedule downloads. This is what we call the Internet Download Manager, or simply IDM. Internet Download Manager has a smart download logic accelerator that features intelligent dynamic file segmentation and safe multi-part downloading technology to accelerate your downloads. Today, I will instruct you on how to install the Internet Download Manager. To get started, first install the installer of the IDM. After you download the installer of IDM, click the IDM setup, then open, click run, then next, click next, next. Choose a destination folder of your IDM, then next. Finish. Now a message box will appear telling you have been installed the IDM successfully. Click OK. Now, let's start to download a video using the IDM. To download a video, first, open your browser and type youtube.com. Open your browser now, then type youtube.com. For example, a video by Bruno Mars, Just the Way You Are. Click the icon below the video, which download the video. Just wait to download your video. Then see the video on your folder where the video downloaded. Click open. And there, that's how to download a video using the Internet Download Manager. Thank you for watching.